Hello. In this video, we want to verify that 1 plus secant x sine x tangent x is equal to secant squared x. Now, here's the thing. In order to do this, we have to, well, we don't have to choose the side, or the most difficult side, but we have to choose one of the two sides. So the idea is we want to take one of these two sides, manipulate it, and have it simplify or just change to look like the other side. Now, we don't want to start with both sides ever. We just want to start with this side. So I'm going to go ahead and begin with the one that looks more difficult to me, which is 1 plus secant x sine x tangent x. And I'm going to manipulate it to try to make it look like secant squared x. Okay, so 1 plus secant x sine x tangent x. Now, generally speaking, we do want to begin with the most difficult looking side, and that's because usually that's the easiest thing to do, because it's kind of weird to start out with a side that's simplified and make it look like a side that's less simplified. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and put everything in terms of sines and cosines over here. That's usually a good idea. So it's going to give me 1 plus secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Sine is just, well, sine. And tangent is sine over cosine. Good. Now, if you notice, sine over x is actually sine over x, or sine of x over 1. And so now you can just multiply straight across there, and that's going to give us 1 plus 1 times sine is sine squared. Over cosine times 1 times cosine is cosine squared. And if you notice, sine squared over cosine squared is the same thing as 1 plus sine of x over cosine of x all squared. But you should know that sine of x over cosine of x is tangent, so that's going to give us 1 plus tangent squared of x. But we have the identity that tangent squared of x plus 1 is secant squared of x. So this gets replaced with secant squared of x. And if you notice, I started out with the original, and I just manipulated it until I got the right-hand side in this case. So I started out with the left-hand side, and now I've simplified it or manipulated it to get the right-hand side. And there you go. At that point, you are done. QED. Alrighty. Well, I believe I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.